can help you, baby.
Hello, these are pages 44 and 45 of the Let's Go 4 workbook. And on these pages, we're going to do some phonics over here. And then on this page, we have a short story to read and answer questions about. Let's start with the phonics. The sounds for this phonics page were the LK sound, which can say lk, or it can just say k, and the ST sound, which says st. In your student books, they looked like this.
LK, ilk, milk, talk, walk, ST, st, first, last, toast.
Okay, and on this page, we're going to match them, we're going to write them, and then we're going to circle them, and we're going to write them again. Let's start. Ulk would be milk. And talk, there's a just k sound, and walk. St would be last, toast, and first. Okay, let's write them in here. Last is here. L-A-S-T, last. Toast is here. T-O-A-S-T, toast. Milk is here. Milk. Talk is here. Talk. No L sound in that word. Walk is here. You walk. LK, but no L sound. Walk. And first is here. First. All right, part A is done. For part B, circle the letters to make the word and then write it. He is talking, so I'm going to circle talk, T-A-L-K, and write talk, T-A-L-K. She is walking, so I'll circle the letters for walk, W-A-L-K, and then write walk, W-A-L-K. He is last, so I will circle the letters for last, L-A-S-T, and then I'm going to write last, L-A-S-T. And this page is all done. Let's do some reading. Okay, this story is called Joey's Family Drive. So Joey is taking a trip with his family, and this is what happened on his trip. Let's read it together. Hi, I'm Joey, and I live in Spain. Last weekend, my family visited my grandparents. It was a long drive. I was bored. I bet it's no fun to stay in the car for a long time. We went over a bridge and up a hill. There were lots of trees with pretty leaves. I wasn't interested. I was very bored. Joey doesn't like long drives in the car. We went through a long tunnel. We came out of the tunnel, and my grandfather was waiting for us. He was on his horse. Wow, Joey's grandfather rides a horse. I rode the horse to the house, and my grandfather walked. I was so excited. That's cool. He isn't bored anymore. He's got bored, interested, excited. Okay, let's answer the questions. Number 1, what did the family do last weekend? All right, we're looking for a past tense action about the family. I'm Joey and I live in Spain. Last weekend, my family visited my grandparents. That's our answer right there. Okay, so the family has 1, 2, 3, 4 people, so we can say they. They visited. And we can't say my because it's not about one person, it's about they. So we have to change this to their. They visited their grandparents. Great. Number 2. What was Joey's grandfather doing? Okay, a little bit harder. We're going to look for was and an ing word, and it should be about Joey's grandfather. No grandfather here, no grandfather here. Here's Joey's grandfather. So let's see, what was he doing? My grandfather was waiting for us. There we go. Was and ing. My grandfather was waiting. Okay, so Joey's grandfather can become he, and then we'll just write he was waiting. He was waiting. Ooh, this is actually a Let's Go 5 pattern. Number 3, how did Joey go to the house? All right, let's find out where we see house, and we gotta see how Joey went. So Joey went or Joey rode. Some past tense action here. House. There's the house. Okay, I rode the horse to the house. There we go. That's our answer. Let's just change I to he, because Joey's a boy. He rode the horse, and we can be done. How did he go to the house? He rode the horse. Done. Great job, everybody.